Hi guys, I'm a little bit closer and at an angle on this video, and I figured I'd just come a little closer for these birthday challenge packages. But this package is from Miss Venetta, and Miss Venetta is a new crafty friend. It came in this really pretty teal packaging that I wanted to show you, and it's funny because it actually smells like watermelon. There's like a little watermelon on here, but it actually smells like watermelon too. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, wait, so we have this. Oh, look how she embossed. What a great idea. Do you see how she embossed the envelope? Okay, it really smells like watermelon. Oh, okay, so look how pretty. She gave me a card that she embossed, and this looks so good. I bought all these embossing folders, but I haven't really started using them yet. So I will. And this is so sweet. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday. More goodies are underneath the insert in the box. Just remove it. Crafty hugs. Okay, so this is from Miss Venetta, and she sent me one of those, like she has one of those fun stamps. And this is so sweet. Thank you so much. And there's like a little like heat embossed octopus. Do you see this? Look how cute. So cute. Okay, so let me open this. Okay. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, so she made me, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Okay, so she made me some embellishments. These are so pretty. Beach hair, don't care. Summer vibes only. Oh my gosh, I love these. And I just cannot get over the package. Smells so good. It smells like watermelon gum. Like it smells so good. Okay, let me open these up. So she put them on acetate too. Oh look, so this is so pretty. And then look at these. Look how pretty. And she layered them up so much. Oh my gosh, and I love how she put, do you see how she put like gold ribbon around? And then this is like, okay, I'm like, is this chipboard? It's like super duper sturdy. Like this is very sturdy. And then these cute embellishments, it's so dimensional. This is like the perfect embellishment. It is so cute. I'm like gonna keep, I'm trying to figure out a way to like keep all of my like handmade things that people send in a way that I can actually be inspired by it, because I actually really love the design of this so much, and I would love to make embellishments like this, like, you know, just like flags. They're like super sturdy and so pretty, and like you could put this on anything, you know, like put it on top of this box. I mean, you could put it on a card. It just like goes everywhere perfectly. So this is so cute. So thank you so much. Is this what I'm smelling? Okay, this is, oh, look how cute. She like altered the packaging. I love this. I'm going to try to do this. It's so funny because I was just watching a video by Michelle at Bay Area Craft. She's hosting a Be a Valent swap, and she was talking about how a lot of the women have just been like altering the packaging, and like what a good idea that is. I just usually just throw my things in here. This is so cute. So this is a Maybelline like chapstick. So nice. I will definitely use that. And then I think this bow might have been on here. I think I maybe ripped it off when I was opening up the package. But okay, so this is a little box. So I'm like, do I need to open it like this way? Okay, I think look at this ribbon. Look how pretty. It has like a seahorse and a shell. I love the whole theme. I love it. Okay, so then let's open this. Oh my gosh, look how cute this box is. Oh man, I'm gonna have to remake this box. Because it seems simple. Like you make the bottom like you would normally make a box, and then you just put something in here. You cut a little, which I want to get a slit, like a hole puncher that does this, because some of my tags that I have do this. This is so pretty, and look, oh my gosh, look, she made like a little dangle. How cute is this? And she used like a chipboard, and look how it's backed on both sides. She might have made this because this is the same thing as this. And she cut it off here. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love this like flocked bead. So cute. I don't have anything like fruit themed. I've never done a fruit swap. I bought all this stuff to do one. And how cute. Look at this butterfly. And look at the lemon on the back. Oh my gosh, so cute. And I love this little thing here. Your packaging is like the best ever. Okay, so let me open. Okay, guys, I'm not crazy. What did I say it smells like? This is the reason why. Oh, this is it. It smells so good. I'm gonna love this. Thank you so much. I love chewing gum. I love chewing gum. And then look at all of these that she made. Oh my gosh. And you guys, did she stamp these? I can't. I don't know if because like these look, I don't know, or she put like something fancy on top of them. Can you see how they're like shimmering? Look, do you see that? These are perfect, and they're the perfect colors. They can be used for anything. I love this. And I really am like super inspired by this, because I really don't like, look how cute the little tags are. They're too perfect. She must have made them. They're too perfect. Maybe they came in a stamp set, because they're just too perfect. I cannot. Sunny Days. I think that's the collection she used. Oh my gosh, I love. And then it says, sending you a big squeeze. Look how cute this is. Ooh, her, okay, remove. Thank you, Venetta, for doing this, because I would have had to re-record this. This is, oh my gosh. Guys, okay, now I know who this is. I did not even realize that this was her. Oh my gosh. And look how pretty she did this card. Okay, she sent me an ATC. Thank goodness that she did this. I need to do this on all of mine, because like she really saved the video. I would have had to re-record it or try to edit it, but I'm not so good at editing. But look, I wanted to show you guys, look how pretty this is. Like she like, you know, ink blended this, and it is so nice. It's such an inspiration, because I want to be a stamper so bad. But look how on the back, she embossed the back. Like what a nice detail. And that's her IG, is Dora's Girl 9. And I'll make sure to tag her, like put her Instagram, since she only has Instagram. I'll make sure to put it in the description bar. Oh my gosh, Miss Venetta, thank you so much. I did not even realize it was you. Oh my goodness. So when I first got into swapping, I wanted to do like a swap group, and I didn't know how like people swapped. And I saw, I think it was on BB Crafts, she posted about like her swapping group, and it was this, they were on this thing called SwapBot. So I signed up for it, and then I never ended up doing any swaps with it. I think she was taking a break at the time, and I just never went back to it. So I'm not even sure if she's still swapping on there, or if she's but she was like, but we became like, we made sure we followed each other on Instagram. So then when I saw her Instagram, I'm like, okay, now I know who this is. It's so funny how you know people by their Instagram sometimes, and you don't even remember their like their like actual name. Once now I'll never forget. Like I'm pretty good with names actually, but yeah, I did not even put that together. And she messaged me too, and I still didn't even put it together. Wow, this is so cute. Thank you, Venetta, so much. That was so sweet of you. We literally haven't like chatted in such a long time, and that was so sweet of you to send this. And thank you so very much. And thank you guys so very much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.